Do you want the perfect rib like this? Then follow along, baby. Juicy, glistening, let's go. Barbecue rub. So honey sugar, maple sugar, and we're gonna jazz this up a little bit. We're gonna go in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. That's New Mexico chili powder. See it in a lot of people's rubs. We're gonna add in celery salt. Last rib. Across. I'm just gonna kind of corner that up. Vegetable oil, I find it works the best. Rubs on, that we put it on generously, not too much, not too thick. Pat it down, get it ready. Let's go, baby. Here it is. There's our rib ready to go in the smoker. 245. Here's a little sauce. I'm not gonna show the whole thing because that's a little secret recipe. There it is, 245. Throw down the rub of your choice, then a little margarine, some sauce. You can make sure you get both sides, a little bit of moisture in there with our spritz. Wrap that up tight. There is our beautiful rib ready to go. Slice it up. Perfect 203. Look at that thing glisten. Who does not want to eat that, baby?